Oh yeah, it's Friday night and we've got the starting of a new campfire here at the Gilson house on Winchester Street. Yeah, here we go. It's going to be a great night. Maybe some of the neighbors will come over. I said, well, if you smell smoke, come on over, bring a chair. So I'm totally excited about this. Oh yeah, she's starting to roll. I ordered a face cord of wood, and the guy delivered it to me for 70 bucks is all. I gave him 80 bucks. So here we go. Yeah, let's get ready for the first real campfire at the Gilson house out of Rochester, New York, in the United States of America on Winchester Street. Here we go, baby. Yeah.